Ridiculous. All right. How's it going, Eric?
Hi friend.
How's it going?
JD. So, you have a new car, kind of.
Old new car. Yeah, brand new broken. It's brand new broken. I got this thing running and driving again, I was ecstatic. I was more waiting on my life to clear up. Some stuff happened that really it was unforeseen and just kind of put a damper on things, and I had to wait for that to get cleared up, and then getting all the parts together, little issues and stuff didn't exist, and it was just a nightmare trying to put a stock KA back in this thing. I mean, I could have went and got an SR or whatever engine I wanted to throw under the hood of this thing. It would have been done in a weekend. I got it from my buddy. He picked it up probably 10, 11 years ago, and I bought it from him maybe about 6 years ago. And it's been in the family for that long. And he's like my brother to me, my buddy Devin. And he sold it to me because the engine went the first time. Actually, the second time that he had an engine issue. And I went and picked it up. My favorite part about this car is I can't say it's not modified because it is. There's a couple little things that have been done to it, but it's not sitting on coilovers. It doesn't have an intake or an exhaust or any of the other bolt-on mods people like to do. Suspension's relatively left alone. I have a couple poly bushings under there, but really it's like the essence of a 240, and it's really hard to find that because just stock, unmessed around with, just like the way they came, it's actually very capable, and it's impressed me many times. I mean, again, it's got an exhaust manifold. There's no header on it. It still has a heat shield over it. I still have my air injection. The EGR valve works. There's no tint on the windows. You know what I mean? Like, it's still just, it is what it is. And that's what I like about it the most.
Well, road's closed. We have the cops on our ass. We're gonna have fun.
I want to keep it like this. I want to do everything I can to keep it sitting the way it is and just keep it going, and little things that I know is just going to kind of heighten its ability, but not going crazy with it. It's not a race car, and by no means will it ever be a race car. I want to keep it a nice, fun, daily driver that I can enjoy. Biggest reason I don't want to modify it is I'm able to not modify it. So many of these cars are just beyond like messed with, and they've been thrown into walls and people lower them and all that stuff, and I mean, that's cool, I get it, the scene, it's fine, but it's like a unicorn. You never see one. Show me another stock 240 or someone that's even trying to keep it stock, that's not, you know, 70 years old that bought it new and that kind of stuff. So yeah, first owner stuff, not the first owner. You do find people like that, but they are rare, and can't say 100% stock, but just I like keeping it the way it should be. I can't stop smiling. It's so much fun. It's not fast. It's a stock 240. Very zippy, they handle very well, and it just never ends to impress me what this car can do and what its ability is. And I'm really excited to just keep it like that, more like a time capsule, if you will. Just, hey, have you ever driven a stock 240? And there's gonna be some people that say, no, I didn't know they even existed. Oh, well, I got one. To try to rebuild a stock KA in its entirety and keep it the way it was designed by Nissan, for the most part. It's awesome. It's awesome being able to drive it again.